Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. This week's apps are apps to help you channel your inner plant mom or wilderness explorer. Whether you want tips and tricks for taking care of your indoor plants all year round, or if you get the itch to start planting when the weather warms up, these apps will come in handy. I love keeping plants around my house, but I have a tendency to neglect them or kill them, either by underwatering, overwatering, or lack of knowledge of proper nutrients and pruning. I'm tired of spending money on quality plants that don't last more than a few weeks. So that's one reason I wanted to find apps to help. These apps are also a great way to get biology lessons for yourself, or you can track plant growth with your kids and use the apps to help you identify greens, insects, and animals. The first app I have for you was created by the California Academy of Sciences and the National Geographic Society. It's called Seek by iNaturalist. Seek is the sister app to iNaturalist, a social media platform for citizen scientists and biologists. The term citizen scientist is used for research that is conducted by the public, so you and me. Seek is the app that you gather your information on. You don't need to register to use the app. But if you want to share your findings, you can create an iNaturalist account and connect it to the Seek app. Going into the app, on the main menu of Seek, you have badges, achievements, challenges, my observations, and the option to connect the app with iNaturalist to share your observations. It's not only focused on plants. The database can also help you identify other living things like wildlife and fungi. You can earn badges by completing challenges. One challenge that looked really neat was the Urban Nature Challenge. You receive a list of species that you need to observe and document. Once you complete the list, you earn the badge. I think it's a great way to encourage us to get out there and explore. The more we know about the planet, the more we can appreciate it. It's also a great way to keep kids occupied and learning during the summer. As the weather gets warmer, I'm excited to take this app with me. Oh, and did I mention it's completely free? The next app I have for you is NatureID. In my research for this episode, I went through a lot of apps, and most of them were expensive, ranging from over $20 to $40 a year, with limited free trials and no free version to use. Thankfully, I found NatureID. While it doesn't have a free version, it is free to download and has a free trial. After that, it's under $20 for iOS and Android. But keep in mind that app prices change frequently. When you think about the amount of money you'll save by not killing your houseplants and buying replacements, I think it's a worthy purchase. On NatureID, you can snap pictures to identify plants, insects, mushrooms, and rocks. It has a lot of helpful features for plant care, like a light meter. For this feature, you turn off all the artificial lights in a room and take a picture of the spot where you want your plant. The app will tell you if that spot has adequate sunlight for that plant. There's also a pot meter. With this feature, you use your camera and it measures the volume of the pot. This feature was not very accurate. You have to hold the phone 3 feet away from the pot and have to hold it completely parallel with it. Then you measure the height and width. You can also set reminders for watering and maintenance. Once you add a plant to your list, the NatureID app gives you a wealth of information. How much to water it, best temperatures for the plant, how much sunlight it needs, best soil type and pH balance, humidity, types of pests and diseases specific to that plant, and a plant profile that includes if it's edible for humans and if it's pet safe or not. I highly recommend NatureID for plant maintenance and Seek by iNaturalist for fun exploration. Both apps are available for free download on iOS and Android. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried any of the apps we reviewed on the show or have app suggestions, let us know by leaving a comment. And as always, we'll see you next episode.